Welcome to Skilled MBA ICDME 2025 focuses on transforming management education through digital platforms. The conference will explore innovative methods for digitizing lectures, research, and academic events, offering a hybrid experience both on campus and virtually. Attendees will gain insights into the latest digital tools and strategies to enhance educational delivery and engagement. The International Conference on Digitising Management Education 2025 is hosted by Skilled MBA and Indian Box Research Consortium. It will take place at the Convention Centre in Delhi NCR, India. For more information, visit the conference website at www.icdme2025.org or contact the Secretariat via email at secretariat@icdme2025.org. Explore diverse tracks like digital pedagogy, AI in assessment, and EdTech infrastructure. Key attendees include faculty, deans, EdTech leaders, librarians, IT AV teams, QA heads, and research scholars. Focus on policy, governance, and enhancing student experience and inclusion. The conference will produce indexed proceedings with an international standard book number, offer best paper awards, and host Memorandum of Understanding clinics for campus digitization. Attendees can engage in hands-on studios. Organized by the Skilled Master of Business Administration Digitization Initiative and academic partners, the goal is to create a repeatable model for digitizing educational events, encapsulated by the tagline Record, Reuse, Reach. Abstract submissions open on 1st September 2025 with a deadline of 15th October. Authors will receive decisions by 25th October. Camaraderie papers are due by 20th November. Early bird registration closes on 10th November, leading up to the conference on 12th to 13th December 2025. The conference will delve into 6 comprehensive tracks, each addressing critical facets of digital transformation in management education. These tracks aim to foster innovation and enhance the educational landscape by exploring cutting-edge methodologies and technologies. Participants are encouraged to contribute papers that offer insights and solutions to the evolving challenges in this dynamic field. Digital pedagogy and content pipelines revolutionize management education by streamlining recording workflows and enhancing microlearning. Key considerations include intellectual property rights and obtaining consent. These elements ensure effective and ethical delivery of digital content, fostering an engaging learning environment. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing learning and assessment by providing automated feedback and enhancing rubrics. It ensures academic integrity through ethical proctoring methods. These advancements enable personalized learning experiences, allowing educators to efficiently evaluate student performance while maintaining fairness and transparency. Research digitization enhances accessibility and transparency by utilizing datasets, preprints, and repositories. Open science promotes reproducibility, ensuring research integrity and collaboration. Digital tools streamline data sharing, fostering innovation and accelerating scientific discovery. Emphasizing these elements is crucial for advancing research methodologies and outcomes. Lecture capture systems and learning management systems (LMS) are pivotal in modern education, enhancing accessibility and engagement. Adhering to audiovisual standards ensures quality delivery, while cloud storage offers scalable solutions for data management. These elements form the technical backbone essential for effective digital transformation in educational institutions. Aligning digital initiatives with National Assessment and Accreditation Council and National Board of Accreditation standards is crucial for maintaining quality in management education. Implementing robust audit trails and data retention policies ensures compliance with regulatory requirements, enhancing institutional credibility and accountability. These measures support continuous improvement and uphold educational excellence. Enhancing student experience through captioning and multilingual delivery ensures accessibility for all. Universal Design for Learning (UDL) principles guide the creation of inclusive digital environments addressing diverse needs and backgrounds. These strategies foster an equitable educational landscape, promoting engagement and success for every student. Submission formats include empirical papers with data analysis, practice notes offering practical insights, and case studies examining specific scenarios. Demonstrations showcase tools in action, while posters visually present research. Templates are available in Word or LaTeX, with a maximum of 8 pages for papers and 2 pages for extended abstracts. Registration fees are structured to accommodate various participants. Faculty and industry professionals can register early for 3,500 rupees with a regular fee of 4,500 rupees. Research scholars and students have an early fee of 1,500 rupees, increasing to 2,000 rupees. A virtual pass is available for 1,000 rupees, granting full access to all materials and sessions. Registration benefits include access to recordings, proceedings, an e-book, and workshop materials. Payments can be made through an online gateway. For invoicing inquiries, contact Secretariat at icdme2025.org. These resources ensure participants are well equipped for a comprehensive learning experience. Day 1 offers a rich agenda focused on digital transformation in management education. Attendees will engage in networking, hands-on workshops, and insightful sessions. The day begins with registration and coffee, followed by an inaugural address and keynote on digitizing at scale. Parallel paper sessions and interactive studios provide diverse learning opportunities. The day begins with registration and coffee, setting the stage for a dynamic day. The inaugural and chair's address follows, laying the foundation for discussions on digital transformation. Attendees will then engage in the first keynote, focusing on digitizing at scale while preserving the essence of education, led by Professor Kavita Rao. Professor Kavita Rao discusses the balance between digital transformation and preserving educational integrity. Institutions must integrate technology without compromising the human touch that enriches learning experiences. Strategies include fostering digital empathy, ensuring accessibility, and maintaining personalized interactions to keep education both innovative and soulful. Digital assessments can be revolutionized by leveraging data and evidence. By analyzing student performance metrics, educators can tailor assessments to better reflect learning outcomes. This approach not only enhances the accuracy of evaluations but also supports personalized learning paths, ensuring that digital assessments are both fair and effective in management education. Dr. Miguel Alvarez explores how data-driven insights enhance digital assessment in management education. By leveraging evidence, educators can refine assessment strategies, ensuring they align with learning objectives and improve student outcomes. This approach not only personalizes learning but also fosters a more effective educational environment. Our conference is led by Dr. Vidhi Arora, with co-chairs Professor Rahul Mehta and Dr. Shoma Chaudhary. Dr. Brian Ali oversees the program, while Mr. Vasu Sharma manages operations. This team ensures a seamless and insightful experience, fostering innovation and collaboration in management education. The advisory board, featuring Professor Klaus Suttil, Dr. Chen Hu, Dr. A. Narayanan, and Ms. R. Gupta, comprises global experts. Their role is pivotal in steering the conference's strategic direction and maintaining top-tier content quality. Our submission process includes a double-blind peer review, ensuring unbiased evaluation by at least 2 reviewers per paper. Accepted papers are published in the International Conference on Data Mining and Engineering 2025 proceedings with an international standard book number for reference. Additionally, selected papers may be invited for inclusion in a post-conference edited volume, offering further recognition and dissemination opportunities. Submit your paper as a PDF through the Easy Submit portal. Ensure all studies involving learners include consent and anonymization notes. This streamlined process guarantees your research reaches the right audience while upholding ethical standards. The International Conference on Digitising Management Education 2025 is a key event for revolutionizing management education. We aim to establish a sustainable model for digitizing educational formats like lectures and workshops. This initiative will redefine knowledge creation, sharing, and preservation, ensuring accessibility and innovation in the digital era.